In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Zoom Workspace App connecting problems. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes for this. I'm going to go through the most common ones first. So step number one, or fix number one, is to check your internet connection. So to make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, try opening another app or website to test the connectivity. If using Wi-Fi, restart your router or switch to a different network. Now, fix number two is to restart the Zoom Workspace. So to do this, go ahead and long press onto it, click onto I for app info, and now at the bottom of the page here, bottom right, you want to go ahead and click on force stop. So click onto that and then reopen it and try connecting again. Now, fix number three is to make sure the application is up to date. So go to your Play or an App Store, do a search for Zoom, hit enter. Now, if it says update, go ahead and update the application. That might be causing errors. So outdated versions often cause connection issues. So after updating, restart your phone and try logging in again. Now, the fourth fix here is to clear cache or app data. So go ahead and long press on the Zoom, click on the I for app info, scroll down, click on the storage and clear cache and try rejoining. Now, if we've got any firewall, any virus settings, we want to go ahead and temporarily disable them. And this includes VPNs as well. So anything like that, just temporarily disable them. Fix number seven is to check the Zoom server status. So go over here to zoomstatus.com or status.zoom.us and hit enter. Now, if servers are down or under maintenance, wait until they are restored. So there's nothing you can do on your end. Now, the last fix here is to simply uninstall Zoom. So long press onto it, uninstall, go to your Player App Store and reinstall Zoom, and then restart your phone, sign in. Hopefully one of these fixes is going to solve the issues.